To you, my viewers, I extend my thanks for your continuous support in the growth of this channel. To you, I greet solemnly, greeting of peace, greeting of honor, and a greeting of respect. You know what I mean? Wherever you are, getting your money, getting your health game up, let's go and bless up yourself. You know what I mean? Giving thanks for the experience of a new day. So right about now, we went into some footages that I've received that I want also share with you on this channel, on this platform, of course. So we have this reckless driver and the police them off, and I mean, wreck up the vehicle from them car. My real reckless on the road. And this reminds me of my time when I used to go to high school. Buses that choose to behave in this manner always have students on them. You know what I mean? And once you have some music where, I mean, they hit, and that them are going to do. You see me, I say them are going to hit too. You see me, and you know, all the persons that have their experience back in high school, especially in the regions of Senton, rural Senton, you know what it was like. I live from Alexandra to Brownstone, or from Brownstone to Alexandra, or from Brownstone to Ochi, or some crazy reckless driving and go on with the youth them pan. You see me? So kudos to the JCF members that have actually clamped down on this one. I mean, I give him back the bus there, man. So at the end of this video, I have another video wherein some police officers, you know, had a standoff in the regions of London, of the United Kingdom. But in this video, you can observe that the vehicle's tire was clamped, and as a result of where he chose to park, that officer came and clamped the vehicle. Where you know, so you have to go pay a fine to get that clamp removed from the tire. So he extended to that officer that he's not above the law. So in many cases in Jamaica, we have police officers that choose to park in the middle of the road. You get me and say, even stop in the middle of the road, and all that pull all gun pan people and things, a bit of mine and hit them off of the bike and some crazy stuff that me see it with my own eyes, and me have to question and say, boy, remember I behave like, you know what I mean, like they are the law, because that's what they always tends to impose upon Jamaican citizens. Them are the law. They do that, call themselves lawmen. You know what I mean? So enjoy the video, my friends. Blessings.
Magistrate's
bribing me. Did you hear him say he's going to bribe me? No, mate, there's no need. You just said you was going to bribe me, how much? I'm asking how much you're trying to claim off. No, you deal with the council for that. Don't keep your voice down a bit. Why are you shouting at me? Because you're parking on a double yellow line. Hey, I popped in to get some food. Well, there's a car park right there. What, you think you're above the law? No, and you think you can go around things? I know the law. No, you don't love the law. There's no need for it. Why not? Why not? Well, you gave me fines before. You gave me fines before. I'm going to arrest you. Well, you ain't going to arrest me. You ain't going to arrest me. I've done nothing wrong. You're the one who's parked on the double yellow. You're going to get yourself in a lot of trouble now. What's your attitude about? Don't deal with it.
Come on, man's blocked that below. Stand in his way.
What? I've clamped him. Take off, man.
Are you alright there, officer?
Why not? No, you shouldn't have clamped you here. You should give a ticket. Hey, what's it called though? No, you should give a ticket. You should give a ticket on that stuff. He ain't on the call, He's got to get some food. He comes in the double yellow. And they've gave me a fine before. This person's gave me a fine before. He gave me a fine before. This